top Tesla short sellers are losing the game. Tesla has long been a darling of short sellers. In 2020, short positions were closed, forcing investors to buy more expensive Tesla stock to cover their losses. Apart from longtime Tesla bear David Einhorn of Greenlight Capital, Michael Burry is also one of the most well-known Tesla short sellers. Burry recently characterized the shares of the technological giant as overvalued. Short selling is a stock market strategy that takes advantage of declining market prices. Traditional short selling involves borrowing the underlying asset from a trading broker, selling it at the market price, and purchasing it later to repay the lender. If the market increases, you'll have to rebuy the item at a higher price and take the loss. Tesla was pushed to the sidelines. Cryptocurrencies, for example, have grabbed the interest of aggressive traders. Additionally, short sellers have liquidated their positions. Despite various disparaging words, many acknowledge that Tesla is unlikely to implode very soon. Tesla stock has risen about 68% this year, compelling short sellers to unwind their holdings. According to S3, shorted Tesla shares were 29.5 million, down from 60.6 million in January. Tesla's short position as a percentage of its market capitalization has reduced to 3.6% from about 8% earlier this year. Short sellers of Tesla for some years now include several major stock market players. Are they meeting their expectations or are they falling short? Reigniting an old feud. Greenlight's short position in Tesla was smashed in 2020 because of its losses. Tesla's status in the Standard & Poor's 500 indices increased due to the stock market boom. David Einhorn, the founder of Greenlight Capital, sparked a feud with Elon Musk in 2018 when he said that Tesla would be most likely to declare bankruptcy in the next 2 years. Tesla fired back in 2019 by branding Einhorn as a unicorn and saying that Greenlight had pointed many false allegations against Tesla and that Einhorn was attempting to save face with investors. Musk affronted him further by stating that he intends to offer him a pair of short shorts as a token of his appreciation for helping him get through this trying time. In his 2019 quarterly letter to investors, Einhorn noted that his Tesla investment pulled down Greenlight's quarterly performance, which was otherwise quite good. According to the letter, Greenlight Capital funds returned 5.6% in Q3 and are up 24% year to date. The firm's worst year since Einhorn founded Greenlight in 1996 occurred in 2018 with a 34% drop in its value. Tesla accused of overpriced shares. Michael Burry is another well-known Tesla short seller who publicly bet against the company and regarded its stock as a bubble set to explode. Additionally, he criticized the tech giant shares for being overpriced. Burry stated in a now-deleted tweet, "Let's face it, Elon Musk borrowed against 88.3 million shares, sold all his mansions, moved to Texas, and is asking Bernie Sanders whether he should sell more stock. He doesn't need cash. He just wants to sell Tesla." Burry has slapped Musk on many occasions recently, citing his comments about Rivian Automotive Incorporated and claiming that Musk loans were likely the reason he needed to sell stock. Michael Burry started Scion Capital, a hedge fund that operated from 2000 to 2008. Burry is most known for a successful bet against the housing market before the subprime mortgage crisis of 2008 to 2009. Tesla is still a favorite target of short sellers. Tesla was not immune to high-profile short sellers. Along with Burry and Einhorn, Jim Chanos is also a well-known name associated with criticizing Tesla's overvalued shares. He was best known for shorting Enron, one of history's most infamous accounting and corporate fraud scandals. Even though Tesla is only a car company, Chanos also stated that it might trade at 120 times higher next year. We just think that's absolutely silly being valued at more than the entire rest of the global automobile industry combined just highlights the risk, said Chanos. Tesla short sellers are losing their bets. The $40.1 billion losses sustained by Tesla stock short sellers were unlike any losses suffered by short sellers last year, according to S3. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has advised investors not to bet against the company on the stock market. Many short sellers lost millions on their bets on Tesla, but they appear to be holding on until lately. What's in store for the tech giant's aggressive short sellers? Do they have a comeback or are they facing extinction? Leave your takeaways in the comments below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated on Tesla's future endeavors.